Kita semua sadar bahwa human resources merupakan hal yang sangat penting dalam kesuksesan suatu organisasi atau suatu bisnis. Saya akan memperkenalkan institusi kami, Indonesian Institute of Management dan Interactive Learning Indonesia.
Indonesia Institute of Management is dedicated to giving your organization a competitive edge. We have developed international standard modules and programs in the field of management, leadership, and banking. Susanto Oni is a senior executive with over 30 years of experience in the local, global banking and financial services industry. He is a fellow at the Australian Institute of Management and senior associate at the Financial Services Institute of Australia. He has led several financial institutions in Indonesia, holding the position of Executive Director, Head of Channels at UOB Bank, Senior Executive Vice President, Chief Credit Officer at Danamon Bank, Vice President, Head of Financial Institution and Corporate Banking at Westpac Banking Corporation, Marketing Director at Chase Leasing, Assistant Vice President, Corporate and Investment Banking, Chase Manhattan Bank. IIM was conceived to carry out Susanto Oni's mission to improve the banking industry in Indonesia by sharing his experience and knowledge in the field. In 2005, IIM Center was established in Jakarta as a center of banking and finance training and consultancy. IIM was officially launched in 2006 by Indonesia's leading executives from the finance and management industries, as well as AIM Western Australia's CEO and senior officer of the Australian Embassy. For more than 13 years, IIM has been conducting management and leadership training for over 200 high school principals. Management and leadership training for various Indonesian corporations in collaboration with AIM Western Australia. Training for financial industries, credit risk, branch management and quality services, and consulting for corporations and banks. In 2016, IIM developed the first video-based e-learning in Indonesia by establishing Interactive Learning Indonesia and officially launching in 2019. And in 2019, IIM became an authorized representative of AIM Western Australia in Indonesia. We deliver various in-house training modules and customized learning programs developed to meet every client's needs. IIM has over 15 years' experience in professional development. Over 6,000 professionals have participated in our classes. Over 30 companies have used our services. Our professional trainers have 20 to 30 years' experience in their respective fields, and more than 100 programs available for your professionals. iLearn Indonesia uses the blended learning method, combining class training and video-based e-learning for more flexible, convenient, and efficient training. This combination aims to increase your effectiveness, where users can learn a module repeatedly at their own pace for maximum effectiveness. Provide flexibility where users can access classes anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Prepare the participant before joining the class. Users can learn concept, theory, case study, and quizzes in e-learning, and have discussions with trainers, practices, and final tests in classroom. And reduce training costs while enhancing productivity. To ensure the participant fully comprehends the material on an applicable level, every segment contains learning video. Participants will enjoy comprehensive lectures with computer-generated charts, emphasis points, animations, and graphics. Summary. Summaries condense the core concepts learned into simple and practical statements. Sample. Actual examples for better explanation. Quiz. The quiz will assess the understanding of each segment, and upon completion, provide continued access to the next segment. Certificate. Final scores are computed from all quiz results. The certificate will be sent to each participant. Quiz can be multiple choice, multiple choice, essay, or drag and drop. If the answer is wrong, user has to repeat the lesson. Users have 3 attempts, with every attempt reducing the score.
Kosnya juga tidak terlalu besar kalau dibandingkan dengan mengirim orang-orang keluar kota.
Karyawan tersebut nggak harus keluar kan, training ke tempat lain.
Pertama tentu kalau kita inginkan training itu standar A sampai Z yang ingin didapatkan oleh karyawan.
Efisiensi dari segi waktu kita lebih hemat dan produktivitinya pasti lebih bagus.
Benar-benar tailor-made ya, untuk kebutuhan kita.
Kalau punya e-learning, saya mau suruh besok 20 orang training, ya training 20 orang gitu Pak.
Sehingga yang penting kan tadi kita bisa certified bahwa mereka tuh mengerti betul.
IIM cooperated with WizLearn Technology as one of the largest internet-based learning providers in Singapore to develop learning management system. WizLearn Technology serves local and overseas companies and government institutions with more than 300 clients. Our LMS uses licensed software and not an open source. External IT platform without the use of the bank's internal system. Multiple high-security platform. Can be accessed anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Traceable and trackable learning progress. Zero investment for hardware, software, and IT manpower. Unlimited concurrent login at the same time. Unlimited material upload, such as internal news, briefing, and product knowledge. We help our clients to develop their own customized e-learning modules with our production house. Our production house has experience in script writing, recording, editing content, producing creative content and animation, video-based content that is engaging and attractive, using the latest production tools to create high-quality modules. We also have digital video books to create video-based content to replace traditional textbooks, and tailor-made e-learning modules custom-made for various industries.